Now after typing the username and password and clicking on that sign in button, you will end up on this page. Okay, so just remember that you will not click on you should not click on this view course. Don't click on this course, uh, and see carefully. So you will have to make some changes here. Put a colon here. Okay, so practice one dot. So this you will have to do after signing in. Just remember that. Okay, so after signing in, just delete that the part after dot in, and put a colon and type 18010 slash home. Okay, so I am repeating it. After typing a username and password provided on RC platform, just click on sign in button, and don't click on this view course or any other button here. Make these changes. Delete the part after dot in rcmoocs dot in, and type colon 18010 slash home. Okay, and press enter. So this is a studio, so LMS studio homepage. As I said, LMS studio means for designing the course. Okay, so LMS is for managing the course and LMS studio is for designing the course. So because we are going to create our course, we will have to use this studio website, and this 18010 slash home is we have written this to enter into LMS studio. Okay, so just remember these steps, and you can rewind this video to see the steps carefully. Okay, now here again you don't have to click on these courses, and don't click on any one of the courses appeared here. Okay, so you will have to create your own course by clicking on this button. And if you want to make changes in your course, if you have created a course, then click on your course. Okay, but don't click on any other participants course, because this platform will be used by more than 6000 participants. So it is very essential that you follow what I say. Okay, so don't click on any other participants course, because it might you might make some changes in that course. So just please follow this rule. Don't click on any other course. If you have entered into this site for the first time, then click on new course. And that means if you are creating your course for the first time, then click on new course. And if you have already clicked on new course, then you will have to click on your course to make changes in that. Okay, so since we have entered it for the first time, I will click on this new course. Okay, as soon I click on this new course, this page appears. So you will have to type the details of your course. Okay, so for example, if I want to create a course on say algorithms. Okay, put your organization name. Okay, here you cannot put space, so you can use underscore. Okay, course number, so you can assign any course number. It's not that you will have to follow some kind of pattern, but it is just like for example, Delhi universities give a unique paper code or unique paper ID to a course, so you can type your course number there. For example, I can write CS101, so you can write anything here. Okay, course run again. you will have to assign some kind of code to identify this course. So say I type 2020 underscore 07. Okay, so fill all these details. You will have to fill all these details, and just remember things like you cannot give space here, so either put underscore or just type like this. Okay, after this click on create button. Okay, so now here is your course. Okay, so you can see the name of the course here, algorithm, and this is a course outline part. Okay, now as I said, uh, you will have to create if you have created your structure of the course, then we will go ahead with this. But before that, I'm going to this setting button. Click on the setting and click on schedules and details. Okay, so in schedule and details, fill all these details. So the course start date, so the default date here is 2030. You can change this date 2020. Month here, so month I put 7 here, July. And suppose I say that no, sorry, this is date, so say 8th, and month here. So now the course will start on 8th July 2020. You can specify the time here, so it's in UTC, not in Indian Standard Time, so you will have to make adjustment accordingly. Course end date, say 14. Enrollment start date, so you can put like 6th of July. Specify any time. Course enrollment date, say 7th, 7th. Okay, uh, put any time here and click on save changes. Okay, so the changes have been saved and the basic details you have changed it. Type your course short description. Okay, so short description, just put some detail about your course here. uh, Now this is important and you will have to be careful about this part. So this is actually an HTML code, and as most of you are not from the computer science background, so I will not go into this HTML part, but just remember these colors. So what I can say that don't touch this green color part or blue color part, but you can change these black color text. Okay, so as it says that include your long course description here, so short description here and long description here. So if you want to give more detail about course, just delete this black text between P and P and replace this with your course description. So you can write like this: course is about algorithms. So anything, you can write anything here. Just make sure that you have changed this black text between these green two P buttons. Okay, so if you want to give more detail, then delete this black text between these two P and write more details about your course. Otherwise you can delete it. So you can delete this black text between the green texts, the green tags. We say it as tags. So you can change the content between these tags, like this P tag, but do not change this green. Suppose if you delete this, it can create some kind of error. So don't mess with these green tags, but you can change this black text. So okay, so you like you can delete this also. So as it says requirements, so you can specify the requirement of this course, like like for example 10 plus 2, or you can write some basic ICT skills or anything. Now here comes the course staff details. So as it says course staff, okay, and here the name, you can specify the name of, you replace this black text with your name. Okay, so suppose I write Nikhil, and you can put your basic detail between these two p. So in this way you can make changes, and after that click on save changes button. So this was just giving details of your course. Okay, so still till now we have not started putting up the contents, but we have just may make the make changes in the administrative part of the course. Okay, so in the next video we will see how to update the how to add contents or make changes in the content.